And today we are checking out this right here. This is the VEVOR Outdoor Kitchen. That's right, this ice chest size box is a complete kitchen along with storage as well. You can see that it's, like I said, the size of an ice chest. It has a trolley handle on the back. If you look on the bottom, it does have the caster wheels to make it nice and easy to roll. And we're going to go ahead, I'm just going to set this up, and then I'm going to show you some of the features and details. The first thing we're going to look at are these latches on the sides. They're super convenient and easy to use. It's just a rope with a ratcheting system to keep everything together while you're traveling. Remove your tabletops, and then we're going to open it up. And this is the first thing you're going to see is this big nice stove. We're going to pop the legs out for the stove and set it down just like that. I'm going to turn this sideways because now on this side and inside each of these tables you do have legs. It has multiple tables and a sink as well. Inside you have a little accessory bag, and this is going to be the other legs for the tables. So the way you set these up, you will stand the legs up. We will connect it to the end over here. The way you set this up is you have these little clips right here, and these clips go onto the edge of the stove, just like that. And then we'll take the first table and we'll connect it. And there's the first table. There's a second table. And then this is the actual tabletop that goes on this side right here. And now you have a table here with storage underneath. You have your stove, and then you have two additional tables. But you're also going to have this, and this is a lighting pole that you can hang your light from, and it mounts. Just extend it and give it a little twist to lock it in. And they have little 1/4 screws in the tables so you can attach the light. These are the legs going to be for your sink. You just attach one right here, twist it to lock it in, then you just pop the silicone sink out. And then you have another table back here on this side, or cutting board, and you actually, this one takes 2 legs, just like that. And the kitchen is all set up. So I'm going to bring you in closer and show you some of the specs and details of this outdoor kitchen. All right, so we're going to start at the top and work our way down. You can see you have your light pole here for holding your lanterns for when it gets dark. You have your first table, you have your second table, they are all joined together, and then you have your actual stove itself, and it is a gas burner that is electric start. Here is your silicone sink where you can actually clean and wash stuff. It does fold down. If we look inside here, this is where you can store extra food, your gas for your propane, your pots, pans, plates, silverware, whatever else you need to keep while you're on your camping trip. And you can also transport the whole kitchen folded up with stuff in here as well, because this does stay empty. You don't fill it up with a bunch of parts. You have a little cutting board on this side. So say you could have your skillet sitting here, you cut up all your veggies, put them in the skillet, put them on the stove, and then serve it off over this way. So a very nice little camping set. It's light, it's portable, it gives you everything, including the kitchen sink and the lights, of course, and it's going to make any camping trip that much better. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.